Good morning, beloved brothers and sisters. The daily word for today is from Psalms 57 verse 3. God shall send forth his mercy and his truth. And today's scripture is from Galatians 5 verse 22 and 23. The fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, long-suffering, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, self-control. Have a blessed day.